Tally as a financial accounting program has the following modules. The first is accounting basics. The second is Tally fundamentals. And then the third is the accounting masters. The other is inventory in Tally. The other is job costing, uh, point of sale, value added tax, payroll, and the others. But to start with accounting basics, accounting basics refers to the following items as they have been itemized on the module. We have the binary system, we have financial statements, we have balance sheet, we have trial balance, we have accounts, we have golden rules in accounts, accounting concepts and principles, and so forth. Now, to start with the accounting. Accounting is the systematic way of recording business transactions. The systematic way of recording business transactions. And an account is just a record. It's just a record, or we call it a systematic record of business transaction. Any account can be recorded into two sides, credit side and debit side. When you say credit side is the right hand side of the account, and debit side is the left hand side of the account. These can be the increase or decrease of an account. For example, when you receive cash, cash is an asset. Now, when you receive the asset, you are being debited. So as you are receiving cash, you are debited. But the provider of that cash or the giver of that cash is credited. So when you give the asset, you are credited. So credit and debit can be the giver or the receiver of the something. That now, the thing that can be given or that can be received can be an asset, can be goods, etc., etc. Another is what is known as double entry. Double entry is the system of recording business transactions, the business transaction into two accounts. So any business transaction can be recorded into two accounts, in which one account is debited and the other one is credited. When you give something, you receive something. So when you receive something, you must give something in return. That is the rule of the double entry system. So in this double entry system, we have something known as the golden rules in accounts. It can be well described in the double entry system, in which we shall have, or we have, three types of accounts. We have personal account, we have real account, and we have nominal account. Personal account is the account of a person or firm. It's the account of the person or firm. In this case, we debit the receiver and we credit the giver. That is the double entry system, or we call it as a personal account rule. We debit the receiver, we credit the giver. The second account is the real account. A real account is the account that is related to possession or property. For example, furniture account. So in this case, we can debit what comes in and credit what goes out. The other account is the nominal account. Nominal account is the account that is related to profit and expenses, loss and gains. In this case, we can debit the loss and expenses, but we can credit the profit and the gains. So these are what are known as types of accounts that can be described by golden rules of accounts, or called the golden rules of double entry system. From today, you can end up here and then see the next time or see the next session to start how or what asset is. Thank you very much.